Good morning guys, in front of me is iPad Pro and let me show you how to set up weather wallpaper. First of all, enter the settings. Now find and select wallpaper and mark add new one. Here find weather and just allow your device to use the location, and if you want to use this wallpaper, just mark add, then decide if it's for your home screen and lock screen, like both of them the same way, or if you want to customize your home screen. So you can see you can either add some color, gradient, or you can blur the wallpaper, however you prefer. Once it is set, just mark on done, and from now on this weather wallpaper is covering both home and lock screen of your iPad. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.